how to turn off or on 10-second skip settings on YouTube. Firstly, on your device, navigate to the YouTube app and open it on your device. Now you will land to the home page. Click on any of the video. Firstly, I'm just gonna show you the time skip on YouTube video. For example, here's a video. If I try double clicking on the right side of the video, then the video gets skipped 10 seconds ahead. For some users, the skip settings might be 5 seconds or 10 seconds. If you want to increase or decrease the time settings, then you can follow these steps. Go to settings and scroll down. Under video and audio preferences, click on Playback. Click on the second option, double tap to seek. Now you can set the seek timer from 5 seconds to 60 seconds. Unfortunately, you cannot completely disable this option, and since there's no option to disable it, you can simply stop using this. After some time, you won't even realize that there's an option like that. So this is how you can manage your skip settings on YouTube. That's all for today. Thank you.